One thing we have to always talk about in presentations with clients is the installation time. If for no other reason than with a centrally wired system, the advantage is the amount of time it takes to put in. A well-designed and prepared system will go in much quicker. On screen you can see the layout of an example apartment. On the right hand side we're going to be showing a centrally wired system, on the left hand side we're going to be showing a classically wired system. One thing to note, for the sake of fairness, is that we're trying to get a similar level of functionality from the classic as with the centrally wired. Which isn't really fair, as by default the digital system offers so much more freedom in design for 2, 3 or 4 plate switching. The timing for this animation is that 1 second of time is the equivalent of how long it takes you to terminate one end of a piece of cable. Forgetting about the amount of time that it takes to pull the cables in, because that changes from project to project. To be fair, we're going to account for putting a pre-made cabinet in on the centrally wired side, meaning the classic team are ahead because they're already terminating cables into light fittings. But as it's only radials to the light fittings on the right, as soon as the cabinet is terminated and has power, you can get the lights on for the site. Which has to mean it's safer for the other teams, because they are now working with lights in the structure of the building, rather than site lights on the floor, meaning less trip hazards. This also means that the switchgear for our digital system can be installed at a much more appropriate time with the room lights on. The centrally wired system is complete already, with a basic configuration, but in the classic example, we're still waiting for strapping wires to be terminated, which means we can't get any lights on until the entire floor is finished. What I'd like to think you take away from this presentation is the flexibility of a centrally wired system, and that there is a huge health and safety advantage to digital systems. To discover more, go to www.velbus.eu, or for installers, go to installers.velbus.co.uk. Please subscribe to this channel so we can unlock more YouTube features.